You don't need to pay for any software for you to be able to generate any invoice for your business or for your stores. All right. In this video, I'm going to put you through on how you can do that free of charge with AI. Let's just get right into it. All right, the first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. And in this case, I'll be working with Google Chrome. So I will double click on it for it to open. As your browser opens, visit freeaiden.com. You can see the web link here, freeaiden.com. Once the website opens, you will be landed on an interface that looks like this. If ads are shown first or is shown first, please close that ad, okay, for it to be on this interface. All right, that is why it is free. So they use ads to balance up some things financially. So scroll down to this page and you until you get to this power tools section. All right, one of the options here is invoice generator. Invoice is just a document that is issued, by a seller to maybe another seller, all right? Detailing out goods that are being supplied to the person and the cost. Okay? So here we want to list some items we want to supply to a particular person that is in another location that wants to sell some products. So click on this, create invoice. Okay, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, telling you to list out the items you want to, offer to the person, all right, and details of the person you are sending it to. First is this place you're provided with the option of choose logo. If your company has logo and it's already saved in your PC, you can choose it. But if you don't have, ignore it and start filling here, all right, the rest of this information here. But here my company has a logo, so I'll click on choose logo, choose file, and then I'll select this and click on open. All right, so you can see everything you are doing here will be showing here immediately. The preview will be showing by this side, okay? So here from your name, okay? So let's say the name of my business is Godwin Tech Stores, okay? So I'll fill it here. All right, so after that, scroll down to client name. This client name is the person, maybe a retailer you are sending this to. All right, so I'm sending to Johnson Mark. All right, okay, get down to this section and fill your invoice number. So I will fill INV 003. Okay, let's say this is invoice number 3. Then date, click here and choose the date of that day you're generating the invoice. Today is 23rd of June, so is the date I want to do that. So currency, fill in your currency is in USD. All right, then tax rate, all right, that you want to apply in each item you are sending to him. All right, here 8% is chosen, but in my country here, I don't think it's up to that. I think it's about 5%. Okay, so my tax rate here is 5%. Then item name, so start listing the items you want to supply to the person. First on my list is LG, LG generator. So price of each of them is about $250. All right. Then quantity I want to say he needs, the quantity he needs, he told me on phone he needs is about 6 pieces. All right. So you can see here now, this thing we added here now, LG 6 times 250 USD will give you 1,500, all right, USD. You can see here 4% tax applied, which is $60, and this is the grand total, all right. So but this is not the only thing the seller, the client needs from me. So I'm going to add another add item for me to list another item. So the second is LG AC, all right, because I did electronics here. So the price of each of them is about $450, all right. Quantity he needs is 5 pieces, all right. Then after that, you can see has shown up here as well, all right. See it here. Then I'll click on add item. So use this add item to add as many items the person requests to be sent to. Okay, so I'm going to add another one. Okay, so LG pressing iron is another one. So the last one is Philip um pressing iron. Okay, Philips. Okay, price of that is about $80. and the quantity he needs in this is 25 pieces. All right, so you can see I have had all the items I want to supply to the client. All right, so everything is reflecting here. Once you are typing, you see the reflection here. So here you can see, okay, payment details. Which way method of payment do you want? All right, so maybe you should transfer to your bank account so and so. But here, I'm not going to list my account number for security reason. Okay, so I will just, say bank transfer, okay, to, or just bank transfer. Let me not list my account details here. Then you can pay through Bitcoin, okay, to, I'll put my ID here, all right? So, but I'm not putting it here for security reason. And I have another payment option, PayPal, okay, PayPal payment to, okay, contact Godwin Tech, because this is my public email address, okay, for my viewers and every other person that want to contact me, okay. Contact Godwin Tech. Okay, so these are my payment methods. So the clients I'm sending this to, or another seller, all right, a retailer I'm sending this to can pay through any of these means. Okay, so check what you have here to make sure that everything correct. All right, the total he's gonna pay, including tax, is $7,332. All right. Then once you're done with everything, what you need to do is either you print this if you have a printer connected to your computer. So you click on this, follow the on-screen guide to print it out. Or if you don't have any printer, you can download it in PDF and send to him. So let me go with this option, download PDF. So I've clicked on this, it has been downloaded to my PC. I can close this page. All right. Then I get to my File Explorer to downloads, and then I'll double click on this for you to see how it will look like. You can see this is how it will look like at the end of the day. So once you forward this to him, he will be able to make payment. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and some things in the world of AI. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section if you have further question on this, okay? You can watch this video here on how to complete some other task with AI. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.